We have been lucky enough to benefit from the Adopt a Hospital initiative. When companies, individuals, or any kind of entity wants to support Win-Win and what they're doing for kids, they can adopt a hospital. And what that provides is hospitals can get an in-person visit with one of the Win-Win performers, which we had yesterday, which was incredible. Another part is having a keynote as speaker at one of our events. So that's what we're doing today at our ZIE conference. Tim is here to present an inspiring and of course entertaining keynote for our conference today.
What you focus on, or what we focus on, grows. Think about it. You wake up in the morning, you stub your toe, you spill your coffee, some mishap, and the whole day feels off. A snarky email before lunch, the negative or bad mood of a coworker that just seems to rub off on you. We all experience this. And the solution? It's not complicated. It's seriously just one little shift. Look for what is good in all situations.
It's really beautiful to bridge those two worlds because we're talking about bedside with the kids, doing what everyone is here to do, and also the academia side of things where we also get to remind them of the mission of why they went into medicine. So having Tim do both of those things is such a beautiful combination of what we're all trying to do, and that is all Adopt a Hospital. So it's a win-win-win with so many different people involved.
At Inova Children's, we have to be mindful of every dollar, and Win-Win providing entertainment at no cost for our children, and entertainment that's like very high value, impactful, makes a difference, is such a meaningful thing for us. Being a health system that partners with Win-Win, it truly is a win-win. It allows us to bring great content to kids. Our physicians and clinical team members feel amazing with what they're providing, and they know that they can focus on their jobs so that kids can be happy. And really, ultimately, what we want is for kids to be kids when we're there in our care, and this lets us do that.
Kids and their parents are in the hospital. A lot of what they're doing is waiting. They're waiting for that door to open and somebody's going to come in with a new result. Or they're waiting to have somebody come in and say, oh, now we have to do a poke. And it's just a lot of boring sitting around and waiting and being worried. And that part can be really exhausting and make the mood in the room just feel really down and dark. And what is amazing is that if that waiting can turn into something fun, something that is different, something that is unique, and will take these kids from feeling like, ugh, I have the worst luck ever that this is happening to me, to, wow, I get to do something special today. This person wants to come in and engage with just me and do a magic trick for me. Wow, my other friends don't get to do that. And for just those moments, it's gonna change the way that these kids are feeling. They're gonna feel happy, they're gonna feel that excitement, and it can give a break from all that waiting. And that can be hugely transformative, and when these kids are like, I'm in a better mood now, I'm ready to get up and get out of bed and to do things because I had something really cool happen to me today.
What's beautiful about Adopt a Hospital is that it really brings together this trifecta of support. We have the donor who makes it all possible. They get to do something incredible for kids and families in the hospital. We have the staff at the hospital who get to see these children, teens, and their families being impacted by this program. They're often seeing their kids, their patients, smiling for the first time. This happened yesterday at our hospital. We saw a child light up for the first time during her entire admission. For the staff to get to see that and for them to be involved in something joyful and exciting and not medical and painful was truly therapeutic for the staff. And then of course the patient and the family. They are benefiting from this directly. No one wants to be in the hospital, but when we can provide these magical, and I say magical in every use of the word, truly magical experiences for kids, When they go home, we want them to be healed. We want to take care of whatever they're there for, but we also want them to go home thinking, that was cool. And if we can do that, man, that is what we go for. That is what we try to do in pediatric healthcare every day. And this whole program, Adopt a Hospital, is a way for anyone to impact that and bring that joy to kids in the hospitals. And we're so lucky to be able to have that at Inova right now, and we really hope that it goes on and continues and more people will get involved and support this.
I'm so excited to see even how much further Win-Win can go. With the Adopt a Hospital program and your help, we can continue to grow to every children's hospital nationwide. So please be involved so that we can bring more smiles to kids across our country.